Hey guys, so today is going to be a short tutorial about how to create your own custom menu using the Divi Builder. So this is the second tutorial of a series of tutorials about how to use the Divi Builder, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you don't want to miss any of the next tutorials we're going to do. Before we jump into the video, I have a quick announcement. Every day we have clients that feel like the world is moving too fast. They don't have time to learn all the new technologies and they are afraid that their business is going to be left behind. That's why we created a newsletter in which we share the latest web design trends, some valuable marketing tips, and some tutorials to help you leverage AI for your business growth. If all of this seems interesting to you, you can subscribe for free right now. I'll put a link down below. And now, back to the video. Alright, so let's get started. So first of all, I'm here on a fresh WordPress installation and I have the Divi Builder installed already, of course. So first thing we need to do is to create a menu for our website. So go to Appearance and Customize. This will get you to the customization panel. And here, go and click on Menu. So here, click on Create a new menu. And I'm gonna call it the main menu. It's gonna be a primary menu. Click Next. And here you can simply create item for your menu. So let's say I want a very simple menu. So I'm gonna create create custom links because I didn't create pages for my website yet. So I'm going to create maybe a link for a services page, maybe tag, whoops. So this doesn't matter, I'm just going to make a fake address for now, add to the menu, then I'm going to create another link for maybe the contact page, and maybe another link for the about page. Alright, and actually I want the contact page to be at the end. Alright, so once this is done, click on Publish, up, and you can close this page. So once this is done, you can go to the Divi Builder, so click here on the Divi panel on the left, click Theme Builder, and here you will be redirected to the Divi Theme Builder. So here you can create a global header. So that's what we want to do, like a header that will be on every page of the website. So click on Add Global Header and click on Build Global Header. So you can build the header from scratch. Alright, so here I'm on the Divi Builder interface. So how Divi works is on a page you can create sections, so here in blue, the blue rectangle, and inside of section you can create rows. So I'm gonna add a new row, and here you can select the layout of the rows that you want. So you can select 1 column, 2 columns, 3 columns, etc. And choose the size of the column, so you have a lot of freedom here. So here I'm just gonna have a 1 column layout. And inside this layout, I'm going to add a module. So you can here choose from all the Divi modules. Here, what I want is the menu modules. So I'm going to select the menu module. And here, as you can see, the menu is added to the page. And here you can select the menu you want. So I have the menu I just created. But if you had another menu, you can select other menu. Now, what we want is to add a logo to our menu. So I'm going to open, here is going to open my media library. I'm going to select this logo. All right. And that's it. So here we have our menu with our content. But let's give it a little bit of style. So here I'm going to, first of all, change the section style. Maybe remove the big padding we have on top and bottom. Yes, that's better, and maybe give a little box shadow to the section to make it stand out from the page. So yes, that's better. I can always change the value of the box shadow here, maybe like this. But I think the default values are pretty good, so I'm gonna leave it like this, and yeah, and that's pretty good. So now let's go back to our menu. So here, as you can see, you have I have my menu that is all aligned on the left. You can, by the way, you can choose the layout of the menu if you want a menu center. Actually, I'm gonna be like this. Yes, that's gonna be easier to follow. So you can have a menu centered like this. You can always have a menu with the logo in the center and links on the all around. But what I want to keep it left aligned, and what I want to do is go on menu text, and here take my text and put it on the right. All right, and so here I have my logo on the side and the text on the right. Now what I want to do is maybe resize a little bit the logo because I think it's too big. So that's going to be in sizing. And here I'm gonna give it a size of 160 pixels. Yeah, that's pretty good. And that's it. So now maybe I can change a little bit my menu text, give it a little bit more styles. So I can choose a font for my menu. So maybe let's go with Poppins, which is a nice font, I think. I can change the size a little bit, so let's give my items a size of 18 pixels. Oh yeah, an important thing, you want to change the color on hover. So here I can select, I can click on the little mouse here, and this will be the color I want to have on hover. So maybe, all right, so maybe I'm gonna go with this purple. So that is pretty good. So here, what I want to do is maybe I want to give a little bit more style, a different style on the contact button. So here what I'm gonna do for that, so first of all, save this. I'm gonna go back to my WordPress settings, so save and exit. All right, and then I'm gonna go back to appearance, customize. No, sorry, first save your changes, you don't want to lose everything. So appearance, customize, go back to menu, whoops, not this, go back to menu, my main menu, and here to my contact button, I'm gonna give a CSS class. So I'm gonna call it contact button. All right, and copy that, publish. All right, and I'm gonna go back to edit my header. So here, what I can do to give a different style to my contact button is go to Advanced and click on Custom CSS. So here, you can do any kind of CSS that you want. So if you don't know anything about CSS, it's simply the language you use to give a style to a web page. I'm not gonna go into details right now, but yeah, it's not very hard. So what we want to do here is add selector and add our class, so contact button, and here I should be able to give a different style to my contact button. So here maybe I'm gonna give it a background color of so I don't know, red is maybe a little bit too much, but I think we went for a purple. Yeah, all right. Or actually, I'm gonna give it this color, which is the Halo Houston color. I'm gonna give a border radius of 8 pixels, maybe. Yeah, that's pretty good. And and maybe add some margin on the left so that it's not too close to the other buttons. So margin left, I don't know, 16 pixels, for example. Oh, and that doesn't work. Yeah, so sometimes you have to force override the values. So for that you can just add the important, even though it's not really the best practice, but you know, it's something you can always do. All right, and maybe I'm gonna add some padding on the side, so maybe a 0. I think I cannot change the padding on the top and bottom, but I can change the padding on the side and can add a padding of 24 pixels. Again, I think I need here to put important. All right. And I'm gonna have I want my text to be in uppercase, which is, I think, text transform. Yeah, upper case. All right. All right. And actually, I prefer when the border radius is, when the button is. Whoops, sorry. All right, yeah, like this. So I prefer when we have round buttons. Okay, so now maybe I just want a little bit, last thing, I just want my item, my links to be bold, and yeah, and that's pretty much it. So then you can click here, and here I have my menu. It's not crazy, but it works. You can always go more in details on how to style your menu. But to keep this video short, it's already way too long. I'm gonna stop here. If you have any question, please leave a comment below. And yeah, that's it for these tutorials. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to have more content like this one. And in the meantime, have a great day and see you in the next one.